Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wise app stuck on loading screen. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Wise app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and reopen it to refresh the session. Next, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Then restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Wise and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps can cause loading issues. On Android, go to Settings, then go to Apps. Next, go to Wise. After that, click on Storage and hit the Clear Cache option. Also, ensure that your device has free storage space. Go to Settings and then go to General. Next, go to iPhone storage. Check and ensure that your device has free storage space, as low storage can slow down the app. Now, if the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. That's how you fix the Wise app stuck on loading screen issue. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides.